I'm Niall Waller. I'm the Enterprise and Regeneration Manager for Flintshire County Council, and I've been overseeing the project to start the regeneration of Connah's Quay docks. So we've had a new CCTV and lighting scheme put in across the docks, really to try and improve how safe the docks feels after dark. The docks are really important to the town. It's one of the biggest towns in Flintshire, and this is their bit of coastline, and you know, it's not right that people shouldn't feel safe coming down here. So hopefully new lighting, new CCTV, various tidying up exercises around the docks so that it feels safer, looks better. Hopefully will mean it's somewhere that people are more likely to come in the future.
I'm Mike Taylor. I'm a coastal ranger at Flintshire County Council. So I've come in and I've been networking with the businesses, the community, the councillors. I've been networking with the visitors, the cyclists, the walkers, to see and make sure they understand what's going on, because this is change. And if people aren't informed about change, then there can be quite negative sort of connotations that come out. So we've been doing our best to do that, and then project manage as well. So we've done everything so far from clearing weeds to litter picking, clearing drains. We're constructing plinths to put heritage features on, so big anchors or channel markers from the estuary behind us, and that's like core to what we do as coastal rangers. But we've been able to use this grant on the dockside to achieve that, whereas it probably wouldn't have happened before. In the longer term, we want to run some events down here and, you know, justify the whole package. So at the moment we've got local businesses that wanted to do a sort of a dockside car boot or a boat jumble, and we'd like to do probably the biggest duck race ever on the Dee.
I'm Dave Clough, and I'm the coordinator for the North East Wales Rangers group who work as volunteers for Sustrans. Sustrans manage the National Cycleway network, and we look after this North East Wales section, and we make sure that the cycleway is accessible for everyone to use. It's great to see investment in the docks, really pleased to see that. We've helped do some of the work ourselves. We've painted some of these steps that climb over the sea wall here, so they're looking very smart and tidy. Yeah, really good to see some investment down here.
My name's Andy Dunbobbin. I'm the Police and Crime Commissioner for North Wales and also a Connah's Quay resident. We've been part of a team really. There's been a real collaborative effort between North Wales Police, my office, the local authority with Flintshire County Council, and also the fire service in looking at what can be done in utilising the funds that's come available from the Shared Prosperity Fund. Now, and I'm pleased to see the area having £290,000 being invested in CCTV, spruce up the business area as well, the front of the docks, which is really steeped in quite a lot of tradition. So really looking forward to see how this investment will be made. I know what from the data that's shown within policing, it can be a real hotspot for drug dealing, antisocial behaviour. So the investment of the £290,000 into the community is going to make a significant difference to how people feel. Everybody wants to feel safe and secure in their own community. I think it will attract more visitors. We've got the coastal path here as well already, been long established. We've got the heritage trail as well, that goes back some significant years as well. But this could really be the catalyst for other things to take place in the area. So we'll go back to those sort of beginnings, how the area was so vibrant. And I think this will be the catalyst for that.